This video is entitled Maintenance Assembly File Overview. The overview of the parts file stated that the parts file contained all the parts that are used in the estimating system. The assembly file takes this one step further by containing all the assemblies that have been developed for the system that you purchased. Many users have come to realize that assemblies are the heart of the estimating system, since assemblies let them combine many takeoff processes into a single keystroke. To access the assembly file from the bid list, you first close the bid list by clicking the Exit button. Then you click the Maintenance button. Then you click Data File Maintenance. Then you click Assembly File. The assembly list is displayed with all the assembly indexes that have been defined in the system. Each of the indexes will control a series of assemblies. The far left side of the form displays 4 tabs that display tools that can be used to find an assembly using the following search techniques. The assembly index list, which is the default, displays all the indexes using a drill down tree formation. So each of my indexes will show me a list of indexes that are assigned to that. The search by index tab displays yet another method of displaying the indexes in alphanumeric order. In this way I can scroll down through the list and find the items that I want, and the right hand side of the screen will display those components that are assigned to that assembly. I can also use the search field to search for assemblies by name by typing in EMT. It's an incremental search, so if you just type the first letter, it will take you to F. If you type the letter G, it will take you to the G, so you can search down through it. It gives you an idea of where you are and how you can find. If I search the number 1, it'll take me to the first one. If I do a 2, it'll take me to the 120s. So that's another method of doing it. The search by assembly number tab offers a list of all the assemblies in alphanumeric order. It also contains an entry field that can be used to locate assembly numbers using an incremental search. It's a 5-digit character for assemblies. Assemblies all have 5 digits, yet we have assemblies that start with the number 1000. So if I was looking for assembly 1000, I would type in 0100, it would take me to 1000. If I was looking for an assembly number 60, which 02, it would take me to the 6s. If I was looking for something that started with a 3, and after a while you'll recognize some of these numbers. I'm not saying you have to memorize them, but you'll start realizing where the assemblies are, especially if you follow the procedure that I'm going to describe in a few minutes for printing the assembly file. The search by description tab allows me to find an assembly by description. If I was looking for something with EMT in it, and it's a little bit more difficult because I really have to know what I'm looking for to be able to find the items. The right side of the form will display more information for each of the assemblies selected on the left hand. If the form on the right side is green in color, then double-clicking anywhere in that form anywhere in this area right here will take me into the assembly detail information. The assembly index list displays different types of forms. It has a form that will allow me to edit the indexes, and the indexes are like the parts indexes, and that you give it a start and end number. Then if I click on an assembly itself, I have an edit button which will allow me to go in and edit this assembly, or a view button that will allow me to go in and view the detail of this assembly. This concludes the maintenance assembly file overview video.